Moving on to trapezoids, we are going to discuss the area of a trapezoid. In order to find the area of a trapezoid, we do base 1 plus base 2, put parentheses around that, multiply the whole top by height, and then divide by 2. So you need to make sure you use parentheses around your base plus base because you'll accidentally multiply the height to just one base if you don't. So you want to add both bases together and make a quick note that your height, just like with our parallelogram, is perpendicular to the bases as well. So it's not going to be like a side length, it's always going to be a perpendicular height. All right, looking at our first example here, I'm going to identify my bases. I'm going to call the top one base 1, the bottom one base 2. So I have 18 and 40 as my bases. My height is 15. And so for area, I'm going to take base 1, 18, plus base 2, 40, parentheses, time my height 15 over 2. And then I take my calculator. 18 plus 40 is 58 times 15. Gives me 870 over 2. So then you go ahead and divide. And we get our area is 435. And check back at your units, meters squared. All right, let's look at another. Okay, here we have bases, base 1, base 2, so 6 and 8. We have a height of 4, and so for area, we take 6 plus 8 times 4 over 2. 6 plus 8 times 4 is 56. We divide by 2, and our area is 28 units squared. 28 units squared. If it does not provide you with a unit, so if it doesn't give you feet, centimeters, or something like that, just say units. Okay, we can look at another example. So keep in mind that I am avoiding the sides. I'm not looking at the sides at all. So if I look at my next example, I have base 1, base 2, so 5 and 8. Remember, your height always has to be perpendicular to the bases. So looking at my side here, it's actually perpendicular. So not only is it the side of my trapezoid, but it is also the height. So that doesn't always happen. If you look at our other side, 5 meters, it's not perpendicular. It doesn't do anything for me. I completely ignore it. It doesn't exist right now, unless I'm trying to find something like perimeter. So I follow my formula again. 5 plus 8, parentheses, times 4 over 2. 5 plus 8 is 13 times 4 is 52 over 2. So we divide by 2 and get 26 meters squared.